Hello, YouTube. You might have learned break with threat of strong tornadoes is expected to intensify through Monday. Included in the risk for severe weather will be the threat for multiple strong and long track tornadoes. The severe weather outbreak, which began a few days ago Wednesday, has resulted in hundreds of reports of severe weather all across the plains and Midwest, including 22 confirmed tornadoes as of Saturday morning. A twister that struck Enid, Oklahoma Wednesday was estimated with winds of 175 miles per hour. Stands as the strongest reported tornado on the planet so far this year. Stands as the strongest reported tornado on the planet so far this year. Multiple storm systems combined with clashing air masses have led to the flurry of severe weather, and the latest moving from the plains to the east into early next week may end up being the strongest of the bunch. The strongest of the bunch, that's for sure. The hailstones formed by water droplets rising quickly in the atmosphere and becoming supercooled could be as large as baseballs late in the day and into the night. With several metropolitan areas in or near the high risk area, damage from hail could be extensive and costly. But by Sunday, the risk damage from hail could be extensive and costly. But by Sunday, the risk for damaging thunderstorms will expand to the north on the plains, but again include the same hard hit areas in Oklahoma. Storms capable of producing destructive winds, large hail, and even a couple of tornadoes could occur in and near the Oklahoma City, Kansas City, Missouri, and Wichita, Kansas metropolitan areas, especially later in the day and at night. Curiously enough, until Monday, the St. Louis metropolitan area will have managed to avoid any severe thunderstorms despite storm systems dancing around the region since earlier in the week. That luck will likely run out as multiple ingredients for powerful thunderstorms, including very warm and humid conditions, come together ahead of a strong storm. Despite every day of the outbreak, including at least one reported tornado so far, no day and night may be as active than Monday and Monday night. But yet another high risk is in effect during the afternoon and at night, and includes the threat of an all-out tornado outbreak from around St. Louis north through northeastern Missouri, central and western Illinois, and southwestern Iowa, including the cities of Peoria and Springfield, Illinois, and Cedar Rapids and Dubuque, Iowa. Some of the tornadoes could be strong and end up being rated at an EF3 or higher intensity on the enhanced Fujita scale, packing winds of well over 100 miles per hour. Additionally, conditions appear favorable for twisters to remain on the ground for long distances, making them especially dangerous. Residents and businesses in this area should review their tornado emergency plans in advance of this high risk day. The severe weather threats forecast to finally begin subsiding closer to the middle of the new week, when it appears flooding downpours will become the primary threat, as opposed to strong winds, hail, or tornadoes. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you liked what you saw, click like or subscribe below.